Hi friends and welcome to Garfin's creation. Chicken Hara Tikka or green chicken tikka. This is what we are going to make today. To make this juicy and very tasty chicken tikka, you'll find the recipe in the description box below. This is so simple and easy and yet so very tasty. So let's begin. To make the tikkas, I have taken 300 grams of boneless chicken and cubed them in 2 inches pieces. To this I'll be adding 3/4 teaspoon of salt, 2 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, juice of half a lemon. This kebab has 2 marination, so this is the first marination. After you have added all these, just give it a mix and we'll keep this to marinate for at least 15 minutes. I'll share some tips on how to get restaurant type nice green and tasty chicken tikka. So while this is getting marinated for 15 minutes, we'll prepare the second marination. Into a grinding jar, add half a cup of Pudina or fresh mint leaves. Next, secret ingredient used by hotels, 6 to 7 Blanched Palak leaves or spinach leaves. These chilies are very spicy, so I'll be adding 2 of it. Accordingly, you can add more for more spice. Just break them and add them to the mixie jar. Just grind and get this back. So you'll get this nice thick paste which we'll be adding to the marinated chicken. We'll be adding this green paste to the chicken that was already marinated 15 minutes before. To this, add 1 tablespoon of thick curds. I'm using Amul Masti Dahi. You can also use some hung curds here. Adding 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, 1 teaspoon of besan or gram flour. The gram flour or besan will make the marination nice and thick and cling to the chicken pieces. It will also give a good flavor to the chicken tikka. So that was another tip. Now mix this well, and here is another secret used by restaurants. Half teaspoon Aromat seasoning powder. Yes, this is the seasoning used by most restaurants in most of the dishes. This really enhances the taste of any dish. Now you know why restaurant food tastes much better. Mix it well and leave it to marinate for at least an hour. You can also leave this to marinate overnight. So now after the marination, let's cook it. To make things easier and faster, I've heated a pan and added a tablespoon of oil again. To this, I'll be adding the chicken that was marinated. To make the chicken tikka faster, I'll be first cooking it in a pan and then grilling it later. I'll be frying the chicken in the open pan for just around 2 minutes. If you have marinated the chicken for long hours, the chicken will be nice, soft and juicy. You can also skip this process and just grill it directly onto a frying pan. You can also grill it in an air fryer or even roast it in an oven. I'll just turn it around and just fry it for about 2 minutes. I have kept the flame on medium. This green chicken tikka makes a good party starter and also a good appetizer. So do make it in your homes and add it to your party menus as well. I have just fried this for 2 minutes and now I will cover and cook it for another 5 minutes. There's no need to add water now. Chicken will continue cooking in its own juices. And now after 5 minutes, you can see the chicken is cooked, but there is a little gravy type. We will further cook it till it gets dried. I will keep the flame on high and let this dry so that the gravy coats the chicken well. Now this is done, and to give it a nice smoky effect, switch off the flame and just make a place in the center and place a silver foil inside. While the chicken was actually getting cooked, I had placed a coal on the burner. So by now the charcoal is nice and red. Put the charcoal on the aluminum foil and pour some ghee over it. With this it will produce some smoke and your chicken tikka will also get a nice smoky taste. Close the lid immediately and let this cool down a bit. This chicken hara tikka has got a nice smoky taste now. We'll just grill it from outside, just charring. I've taken some satay sticks. I had just soaked the satay sticks for 5 minutes in water so that they do not get burned when you grill the chicken. I'll be just grilling it over a fire. To get the grill marks, you can also use a grill pan or a normal tawa too will do. I'll prepare all the satay sticks this way and keep them ready. So these are all ready and you can see there's some gravy left. I'll just put them over the kebabs. You can also cut thick slices of onion and just put it in the gravy and use it as a side salad. So now let's grill it. To get the burn effect, I have just kept the steel mesh over the fire flame and placed the sticks over it. I will keep them on the fire and keep turning them around till it gets a little burned effect. You can also do this directly on the tawa also. Keep turning them and also smear some butter over it so it becomes nice, soft and juicy. So our green chicken tikka is well smoked and well grilled. It tastes great and it's very juicy from inside. After trying this at home, I'm surely you're not going to miss the restaurant chicken hara tikka. So this green chicken tikka has got a nice color and a nice char from outside. You can take it out. You can serve this green chicken tikka with some mint chutney mixed with some curds and some onion slices and lemon wedges. Do try this recipe at home and I'm sure you will not miss the restaurant one. Do check the description box for the full recipe. Thanks for watching and do like, share and subscribe to Garfin's Creation. And we'll see you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.